Lecture 10: Filtering data to show specific information. Working with large datasets can be challenging, especially when trying to locate specific information. Filtering simplifies this by displaying only the relevant data and temporarily hiding the rest. It's a key tool for efficient analysis, clear reporting, and informed decision making. Objectives of this lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to apply filters to display only relevant data, use different filter types including text, numbers, and date filters, create advanced filters using multiple criteria. What is filtering? Filtering is a method of temporarily hiding unwanted data to focus on specific records. Unlike sorting, which reorders data, filtering removes irrelevant entries while keeping the dataset intact. Filtering is useful when viewing only high priority tasks in a project tracker, analyzing sales data for a specific region, finding students with grades above a certain threshold, applying basic filters. Most spreadsheet applications provide a built-in filter tool that allows users to display specific records based on a chosen criteria. Steps to apply a basic filter. For example, we have a dataset like in here, and we want to filter this according to our need and requirement. When you just click on this filter icon by just pressing filter, drop-down arrows appear in the column headers. Click on one to select filter criteria. For example, I just want to apply a filter on these sales by just clicking on this arrow, and it asks me to filter the data. For example, I just want to have all the data which is top 10, or you can put any condition like less than or equal to as well, or greater than as equal to as well. For example, I just want to add a greater than or equal to, and I'll just write a value. For example, I just want to have a sales greater than or equal to 5,000. For example, I just have put this value, and when I'll press OK, then these entries will appear as these have greater than 5,000 sales in this whole data set. For example, I just want to have greater than or equal to 10,000. Press OK, and lesser number of data sets will appear as there are very few amounts which are greater than 10,000. So this is how you can just apply filter in a Microsoft Excel. Filtering by text, numbers, and dates. Different types of filters allow users to refine data more effectively. Text filters, used for filtering words or phrases in a column. For example, I just want to apply this filter on this product category. We'll click on that, and I just want to see the entries that have only technology, and we'll just uncheck all of these, and just only technology will be checked, and we'll press OK. Here you can see only the technology product category shown in this entire data set, which data has been filtered according to our needs, and they have also greater than 10,000 sales as well. So this is how you can just filter according to your needs and requirement. Number filters, used to filter numerical values based on conditions. And I just want to apply a filter on this unit price, and we'll click on this, go to filters, number filters, and I just want that it should be greater than or equal to 1000 unit price. Or you can just apply a second filter as well, it should be less than 2000. We'll press OK, and we have only two entries which has sales greater than 10,000, unit price greater than 1000 and less than 1500, and product category as technology. So we applied three filters. Here you can see a filter icon as well, and you can apply as many filters as you have columns. So this is how you can just filter the data from these data sets. Date filters, used to filter records by date ranges. For example, I just want to apply a filter on this order date. We'll click on that, and you can see I just want to see all these data sets but only year of 2012, and we'll press OK. Here you can see we have all the orders and all the entries as per the year 2012. So this is how you can just apply date filters as well. Steps to use these filters. Click the filter drop down on the relevant column, choose text filters, number filters, or date filters depending on data type. Here you can see we can apply the date filter in here, We can apply number filter on this data, and you can apply text filter on this ship mode, customer name, customer segment, and product category as well. So this is how you can just apply as per your requirement. And you can select a condition as well. For example, I just want to apply a filter on the sales with two different conditions. We'll click on that, and you can just go this number setting, and you can just click on this custom filter, and you can just apply any of these. For example, I just want to have is greater than 1000 and less than 5000. So we press OK. Here you have all the entries that in between the range that we have already entered. So this is how you can apply two different conditions in a single filter. Steps to apply multi-level filtering. Apply a number filter to the sales column, for example greater than $1000. Apply a text filter to the sales channel column, for example you can see furniture, technology, or office supplies, any of these. And the spreadsheet now shows only transactions meeting both conditions. So you can apply all these filters on different columns as per your need and requirement to have a specific data and information.